Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I really appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving us. As you guys notice, there's a background change as well. I'm trying to amp up my editing. I know there's a lot of people that had commented on that, so I want to make sure that the editing is good to go. I am continually learning. Like I said, I'm a forever student, so anything that I could do to make my videos better, more enhanced, better quality. If you don't know, that camera is brand new that you're watching me from right now. It is a Canon M50. It is a very expensive camera in my opinion, but you know, it was rated #1 for views, so you should be watching me in 4K right now. Hopefully I have all the settings correctly, but I'm still learning, guys. And if you have other options or opinions, put all the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about my editing, my video quality, if it has enhanced, or maybe you're not a big fan of it. That's fine. Ears are always open to try to figure out what is best and what looks best. Okay, so video editing has been ramped up quite a bit. I use Wondershare Filmora as my editing suite. All right, so hopefully that helps out. Merchandise, you might see the nice new hoodies that we just got. If you want Three River Blades merchandise, we have it on the links down below. We also have it on Three River Blades website. You could click on the link, it'll bring you to my store. We use Teespring. Teespring is a print to order type of setup. I will also give you the free shipping code. So if you guys are interested in that, you can have a free shipping code. It saves you on shipping, so all your shipping is free. I have hoodies, I have glassware like pint glasses, also coffee cups and tumblers, so if you're interested in that. We also have a whole bunch of other stuff like backpacks and things like that, so if you're interested, click on that below. And if you're looking for something that I don't have, put it down in the comment section. I'll try to research it. Like, I always want to make sure that my fans are happy, and if you bought a knife from me and you want to promote the brand, I really appreciate it. All right, so just a couple things. So this is the Pullover Hoodie. We have t-shirts. We also have the zip up hoodies as well. So I'll give you a little, all right, little show on that. So that's the zip up hoodie. And all it is, and you can get them in different colors. We also have the female apparel too. So if you want the cropped hoodie, we have that. We also have leggings, and there's some really cool sweatshirt designs that have like the logo kind of twisted. It's kind of cool. I'm going to try to amp up the apparel game for Three River Blades. And again, if you have any comments that you think we should carry, put everything down below. So thank you very much for that. Playlists. So the playlist, guys, we have a bunch of playlists. If you have been watching my channel for a long time, you know that it's not just about knives. Yes, I make knives, I sell knives, but I'm not afraid to look at other people's brands and see what they have. We also had a segment on Surplus Sunday. You guys that have stuck around long enough know that Three River Blades is not just a knife making company. I do a lot of outdoor stuff. I do a lot of hiking, a lot of hunting. I also do reviews, collaboratives. All the stuff that is on this channel is basically to broaden the experience with cutlery. Okay, that's what I'm trying to show. I also give business advice for those that are up and coming knife makers, or if you want to learn to grow your channel. That will also be a new genre that I'm diving into. I want to make sure that if you are a knife maker, you know how to responsibly use social media to grow your numbers, and I think at this time we're heading up. Like, so I just checked my analytics, and analytics is spiking all the way through. So thank you very much. Thank you for all the YouTubers out there that make content that help me to watch this stuff and to read and to learn. Like I said, I'm always a forever student. So we are going to add to that list, so please stay tuned for that. I don't want you to go somewhere else. Again, outdoor stuff, military surplus, survival. We did some tactical stuff. We're doing knife making. 2022 is going to be a banner year. We also have new stuff coming out as far as product, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. Make sure that you go to the website frequently to see what we're going to have for 2022. Also looking at doing some podcasting. I do have my kit on the side, and we're going to look at doing some podcasting. I'll have some guests over. We'll do some virtual podcasts. I think that will help bring more people in to the Three River Blades clan. Also, there is a join button now. I don't know if you've seen it, but if you're watching this video, there's a join button now, and there's 3 different tiers. The idea behind the join button is you'll get shout outs and a couple other different perks. I'm also looking at opening up a school, so we are going to have downloadable content for students that want to learn how to do knife making. It'll be a Three River Blades University, where of course it's a paid subscription program, and I'll have that in 2022. If you want to know how to flat grind a knife, hollow grind a knife, the business sense, how do I make kayak sheets, all that stuff that you guys have been watching. It's going to be more in-depth, more detailed. Obviously it's going to be paid subscription, but I want to have that available for people. We're also looking at ebooks as well. I am also opening up sponsorships and collaboratives. So if somebody would like to make a knife, design a knife through this company and would like to collab on it, I'm open to that. Drop me an email, threeriverblades@gmail.com. We could discuss it. Also, I would like to see if there was some other business opportunities as well for Three River Blades, so I'm looking forward to that in 2022. Alright guys, what I need you to do is to check out all these little other videos that I am going to post. Make sure that you check out Patreon, become a Patreon member. It only costs you $1 a month. Put all the comments down below, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. It really helps the algorithms. Make sure you join the Three River Blades YouTube channel, become a member. Really helps us out. And also guys, like I said, please be safe and have a very Merry Christmas.